Hello, my name is Adelina Popescu and I'm a data analyst at BT Provider. Today we will learn how to show and expand hierarchy labels in Tableau. In this way we can display more information in our visualization but without crowding its content. For this we are already connected to the global superstore data source offered by Tableau, and the first thing that we have to do is to create a set. For this we have to right click on category, create set. We can rename it category set, and we have to choose a category from here, for example furniture. Now we have to create a calculated field named category to show with the formula if category set then category, else nothing, and. Now we have to create another calculated field named category set value with the formula max of category set. Okay. And now we have to create another calculated field named category and subcategory with the formula if category set then subcategory, else category, and. Okay. Now we have to drag the cells on columns, the category on rows, category to show on rows, and next to them category and subcategory. We can change the visualization type to be entire view, and we can hide the label from category to show. Right click on it and select show header. Also we can show marks label. And now we have to drag the category set on color and then the category set on size and category set value on detail. Now we have to go to worksheet, actions, add actions, change set values. We can rename it category set action. From the source sheet, select the sheets where you worked, and for the run action on, select this one, select. For the target set, select category set, and from the clearing the selection wheel, we'll select remove all values from set, then click OK. So now when you select a category, you will see all the subcategories within this category. So in this way, you can see also the category and subcategory, but without crowding the visualization. Thank you for watching us, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.